Hello dear student, how are you? I hope you are quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know that the world has been facing a critical moment. That is why we are going to arrange online class for you, only for the betterment of you, because already 6 or 7 months there is no class for you. Okay, in my online class I am going to teach you an important part of grammar, that is transformation of sentence and affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative is an important part of transformation of sentence. I think you know 2 or 3 question comes from this affirmative to negative, I mean to say transformation of sentence. Okay, my dear student, now I am going to transform from affirmative to negative. But before learning this, at first we have to know the definition of transformation of sentence. At the same time, we will try to define affirmative and negative. Transformation, the word comes from the verb transform. Transform means change or convert. And we know that sentence is a group of words having full meaning. It means that transformation of sentence means changing sentence. We can define it in other way. That is, transformation of sentence means changing sentence from one form to another without changing its meaning. However, let's define affirmative and negative. An affirmative sentence always gives positive sense. On the other hand, a negative sentence always shows negative sense. Okay, let's start our rules as well as example. At first example, there is written, only he can do this. Look at the word only. At the time of making it affirmative to negative, we have used none but. Why? This is the question. Because if only indicates any person, then you must use none but. You should know more. If only indicates any things, then you must use nothing but. If only indicates any age, then you must use not more than or not less than. Only example has been given here. My dear student, only he can do this. What will be the total figure of negative? That is none but he can do this. I think you have understood. Okay, if you have any comments regarding this, you must comment. Okay, let's go to the next rule. Mr. Rohim is a tall man. There, if we want to make it negative sentence, we have to use tall. At the same time, as it is negative sentence, at first we have to use negative word, that is not. And at the same time, we have to use opposite word of tall. What is the opposite word of tall? We know that the opposite word of tall is short. Okay, it means that tall means not short. Okay, let's see. Mr. Rohim is a tall man. Mr. Rohim is not a short man. Okay, my dear student, let's go to the next example. He has to go there. It means he must go there. If you see has to, have to, must, at the time of making it negative, you must use cannot but. Remember, if you see had to, you must use could not but. There is also another way of making it negative. Okay, however, we will not tell this now. I will not tell this now. What will be the total figure of negative? He has to go there. It means that he cannot but go there. Okay, let's see the next example. Shimul is a doctor. It is very important for you, and it is something difficult, I think, than before we done. Okay, Shimul is a doctor. There is no opposite word of doctor. Is there any opposite word of doctor? No. That is why we will make it interrogative negative sentence. What will be the interrogative negative sentence? But our only aim is to make it negative. To do negative, we must make it negative. There is no other way. Okay, let's see. Isn't Shimul a doctor? The question should be given, should be shown in such a way that answer should be positive. Isn't Shimul a doctor? It means what? It means yes, Shimul is a doctor. Okay, let's see the next rule. Both Rohim and Karim can do this. If you see both in a sentence, then you must use not only instead of both. At the same time, you will also use but also instead of and. Let's see what is the total figure of the negative sentence. Not only Rohim but also Karim can do this. I think, my dear student, you have understood what I am trying to teach you. Okay, let's see the next rule. Every mother loves her child. In case of every, you must use there is no. And then you will join the word mother. And then you have to join but, then you must join the rest part of the sentence. Okay, like this. Okay, let's see. Every mother loves her child. What will be the negative form? There is no mother but loves her child. We can make it another way. That is, there is no mother who does not love her child. However, I think you have understood clearly. If you don't understand anything or any part of this, you must comment in my comments book, in my comments or Facebook ID or school ID. And I request you to stay at home. I think you will do better in your coming examination by taking part in our online class. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. No more today. See you again in my next lecture. Thank you very much.